Today's credit repair tip: pay your bills on time. Now, I know that sounds obvious, but let me explain. If you have bad credit right now, you have collections, you have charge offs, you probably still have some accounts that are open. Maybe you still have a car loan that's open, maybe you still have a credit card that's open. If all you did from this point forward was just pay those accounts on time, never be late, your credit score would actually slowly improve every single month going forward. That's why it's so important that you start paying your bills on time and just don't be late anymore, because they're a very important part of your credit score increasing every month. Now, if you have bad credit right now, you're tired of having bad credit, you want to get good credit again, contact me. Send me an email, send me a message. I'll give you a free credit repair analysis and estimate, and let's get you started back on the road to good credit.